my name is ZayanAnimations and today I'm gonna tell you that how to use CHROMA key in Adobe Premiere Pro. So import your clips, then you just gonna drag your clips in your timeline. So I have a pop-up cat green screen here, and first of all you have to go to the effect option here. You can see at the screen effect option, then you're gonna go to video effects, scroll down, and here's the option of keying. You just gonna be pressing it. So then you're gonna scroll down, and here's the option of ultra key. You're gonna drag it to the green screen clip, and then here's no changes. So for now you're gonna go to effect controls here. You're gonna click here, drag, scroll down, and here's ultra key option. Then you have to click this dropper tool here. You're gonna click the dropper tool, as you can see, and then you're gonna choose the color, like which wanna choose green color. You're gonna choose the green color, and then you can see the magic. And now second, if you wanna adjust it, so you're just gonna change it to composite to alpha channel, and then here you can see, but I think it's nice. But if you wanna change, so you can change as option of matte generation, but I think it's nice, so I don't wanna change it. Again, changes to composite, and now here is it. And let me play the video and see. That's nice. I hope that you like this video. So if you like this video, so you're gonna like this video and subscribe my channel. That is only for today. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.